Hello, friends. This is Ad Zeros, and I wanted to had a quick recap on my trades. So here is my P&L for today. After I posted, I had a one more trade. But let's look at the snow. I had a snow first trade, a very beautiful trade I had in the morning. I was looking at it pre-market. So snow is a multi-point mover, but it's also a spready. So I had a very small position here for. Uh, 20 200 shares, and it moved back up. I want to take a profit, but it was in the seconds it pulled back down. Then I took the first partial for the 1 point, and then I put the stop loss, and I say I don't want to go back and just spread me out with the 5 points loser, because based on this candle. And then I stopped out, and then I moved to the next stock and see what Snow has did. I wish I would have stayed. Then I trade a second trade. I was looking at this, the opening support here. If you see the red line on 275, on a hindsight, it looked like is not a good entry. I added a very small share size, and then I added again here, and my stop loss would be the low of the day. So I was hoping, okay, I added that, but I wanted to make sure that if it's go down, then I'm gonna lose the morning trade profit and maybe another 50 bucks I wanted to. So I don't want to lose more. Then, as I expected, it moved back up another point, but then it couldn't sustain because of the VWAP. And then I lost on the, 100, some partial here and then some loss here, because the way it is moving so slowly, I don't want it to take a risk of this pretty strong. So then the next trade I had, the INO, a beautiful INO trade. So INO was a good trade. I basically pressed the button here uh, on the break of this, but it was so spiky. I don't know what happened that I got a fill at $14 in the seconds. And I say, oh man, and then it pulled me back down here. So what gonna do now? And then I saw that, I say, okay, this is going to be my, basically this was my stop loss before the VWAP, because it was beautiful entry over the opening rent break. And the when once I saw that it reverted back to my support, I immediately uh, took added to my position. I took a first partial here because I don't want to take a huge risk, because it's now has doubled down. So I just closed the position. I took it here, I close it here, and then I took some partial here. I added back once it broke down, and then I take a slow partials, and then I put my stop loss here on the break even and see what happened. It stopped me out and then rally here. If I, this is almost 200 shares, and if I've not stopped out, then definitely is maybe a 4 point winner. These were my two trades. I took a DDD, but DDD was Mayor's trade, so I just piggyback him. So this is not my trade. CDE was also Mayor's trade, but didn't got success. So we shorted it here, and instead of continuing the downward trend, it pulled back up. See, now it went down, but we have to stop it out somewhere. So I stopped out at 12. Then I took the AG Silver, and AG Silver was a nice trade. I don't like the silver, commodity trading. So I just wanted to scalp. I see, I noticed that if you go back to the 5 minute chart, you will see a very interesting phenomenon. So usually I like that kind, that when is a gap and go, the first 5 minutes bearish, and then it pulled back up. So the moment it pulled back up, if you see the green candle, I went long here, but I don't want to take risk because I already made the profit at the time. My goal was complete. So I just took the trailing order for 15 cents, and then it spiked up, spiked down. So I just made just like dinner and lunch cost, just a 50 bucks. out of that. And yeah, that's all from me today. Hope you guys also have a great day, and feel free to give me your feedback that how uh, you had your day, or did you like my ideas? And if you have continued my idea of an INO, uh, for sure, this is the big winner for you guys. And so I couldn't continue because I was trading other, but if you are watching this, so as we expecting is almost $3, right? So give me your feedback, leave your comments, and we can touch base like that. Thank you.